Hey man, Mills the barber here. About to get it in with another one. Got my young dude, man. I call this dude a young king, man. Love this little guy to death. His name is Jaden. About to come through. You know, gotta transform him real quick. Alright. Peace, y'all. Mills the barber got my boy Jaden here. Say what's up, Jaden?
What's up?
What's going on, man? How's life been treating you during these times? I know it's been rough, you know, having to be in the house a lot, but what you been doing?
Drawing.
Drawing? Okay. You got to send me some pictures so I can post it and share with the people. What you like to draw?
Lots of superheroes and Fortnite characters.
So I bet you I know your favorite superhero.
Ooh.
Let me see. You're a Marvel kind of guy, right?
Yes.
All right, so Marvel, let's see. Iron Man?
Yes.
I swear I just guessed. How did I know that? So which, like, version of Iron Man do you draw? Like, what's your favorite suit? You know, like the Iron Man suit. Like, because, you know, he has different versions of the suit. So what's your favorite one?
I usually draw the one in yellow and red.
Like the classic one? So you know what, though? As far as Iron Man goes, like, I like the one... What's the other guy, the black guy, that's kind of similar to Iron Man? Is that War Machine?
Yes.
I like that silver one. I wish Iron Man had one of those. But yeah, man, it's good to see you, man. And glad you came by. And, you know, we're going to do a transformation today, okay? So what we getting done, man? I see you had the high top fade kind of. Do you want to remix that or what else?
I'll remix that.
Okay. So we bring the fade higher or we just like the regular mid fade we've been doing with the two parts?
The regular mid fade.
Okay. You want to give some shout outs, man?
Yes.
All right. Go ahead, man.
I don't know any shout outs.
Like, you know, people you want to say hi to, whatever, you know, friends.
Oh, hi Tyler.
Oh yeah, but I almost forgot. Where you from, man? You gotta rep where you from, man.
I'm from America.
Right. What state, what city, man?
Georgia. Atlanta, Georgia.
Okay, ATL in the building. So yo, tell them we'll be back with the finished results. Say peace.
Peace.
Alright. Alright, Jay. Let me see, man. Look up. You back?
Yes.
How you feel, man? You feel lighter?
Later.
Yeah, man. All right. Let's come around this side. Got the high top fade jumping off with the sponge curls on top. Yeah. So, now, before we go, is there anybody you want to shout out?
Shout out to my mom.
Oh, yeah. Who's your mom?
Right there.
What's her name, boy?
I can't say her name.
Oh, okay. Well, shouts out to Mom right there. And we appreciate you guys. And, yeah. So, I guess I'm out, right?
Right.
Oh, can you do me a favor? Can you tell people to subscribe for me?
Subscribe to his channel.
Thank you, man. Would you subscribe to it when you get a chance?
Yes.
You sure? You had to think about that?
No, yes.
All right, say peace.
Peace.
Jay, after a haircut, tell them how you bust the moves.
The dynamic shuffle?
Yeah. How you take the L? How you take the L? But you never taken an L. You're a winner, though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you do it to other people when they lose.
Yeah. All right, peace.